VASG, battery operated 2-liter sprayer. Put in your products for spraying, for car, gardening, around the house, wherever you need to have a battery operated 2-liter sprayer. We're going to open this up, show you how nicely they are packaged in the box. Everything that you're going to get is inside. You have an instruction guide on the bottom. On the table, all the parts. In the plastic bag, you have 2 O-rings, your wand washer attachments, and the USB-C compliance cable. You have a wand that measures 15 inches. You have the wand handle and controller that measures about 9-10 inches. And you have about 1 meter of hose. You have a carrying strap and the container made of heavy-duty plastic that will inflate as filling up. You have the fill area, the wand holder, and the wand attachment. And you have the little feet that stands the unit like so. You have a shoulder strap. You have some hooks, D-hooks that attach to the unit in the small hole to put around your shoulder. It is easy access and setup. We're pouring in our solution. As we pour in our water, up to 2 liters, the unit should expand. We have a battery-operated 2-liter sprayer. Put in your solution and spray away. Simple setup is connecting your hoses to the nipple, placing on the spiral connector with the O-ring over the opposite end and placing on your wand and choice of sprayer. You are ready to set up in no time. On and off button allow the unit for the first time to set up and work. It may take a few seconds. As it sprays out, we have a cone-shaped spray. Please make sure everything is nice and tight to prevent leaking, and you could adjust the spray nozzle. And now you're able to come over to your plants and give a nice mist spray. We have the plants and we want to give a spray moisture with the solution. For washing, we can do so. The product comes with a number of adapters. You simply unscrew. Remember, some water and solution will come out and you're able to add in your adapter. As simple as that. Please remember, when solution is in here, it may trickle out, as you can see, until it finishes the wand. Turning on is simple as so. And now we have a shower that we can simply water our sedum, like so. If you loosen up, you're able to extend your pole out. When changing over from sprayer to sprayer, we give a flat round washer that fits in and screws on. As we're going to show you the flat spray that you can spray in a flat wide wand spray. These are just some of the attachments that you can spray. You can place down the bag, and please remember, when it starts empty, it may tilt over. It is a pinpoint sprayer that allows you to get between the creases and shoot about 15 across in distance. These are just some of the things that the battery operated sprayer can do. 2 liters, battery operated. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.